हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे फिफ्थ सैंपल पेपर. लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द पॉइंट 2, 3 इन द लाइन y इज इक्वल टू 1. इसको हम रफली ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. This is the point 2, 3. Y is equal to 1 is the line parallel to x-axis at a distance 1 from x-axis. This distance is 1 and this is 2 because y coordinate of the point is 3 means total distance is 3. Now we have to take its reflection in this line. Its image will be formed after the mirror means behind this line at the same distance. Distance is 2. Then if this is its image, then distance from this mirror will be 2 means this distance will be 1. X coordinate will be 2 and y coordinate will be minus 1. Option D is the correct option. Now express your answer in proper manner. That is question number 1. Part 1 and option D is the correct option and the answer is 2, minus 1. For every part of MCQ, write your answer in this way. Next question. Inequality हमें given है and we have to solve this inequality. Solution of this inequality is x is greater than equal to 2 and we have to select x from 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Among these numbers, which numbers are satisfying this condition? These are x is equal to 2, 3, 4 and up to 10. C is the correct option. Next part. सेंट्रॉइड हमें गिवन है, वर्टिसेस हमें गिवन है ट्राइंगल के एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए एंड बी. अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला फॉर सेंट्रॉइड, दैट इज इफ वर्टिसेस आर x1 y1 x2 y2 एंड x3 y3 देन coordinate of centroid will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, this will be the x coordinate of centroid, that is 4. y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3 is equal to 3, that is the y coordinate of centroid. A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 5. In this question, अगर आपने A की वैल्यू 7 फाइंड आउट कर ली है तो आप ऑप्शन टिक कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ B बिकॉज A is equal to 7 is the single option B. Next, DE is parallel to BC. Find the value of X. According to the basic proportionality theorem, this triangle ADE and ABC are similar triangles and their sides will be in the proportion. It means DE upon BC will be equal to AD upon AB, that is 4 plus 3, 7. X is equal to 6. The median of a set of 9 distinct observations, ये करेक्शन हमने क्वेश्चन पेपर में कर दिया है, 9 इसमें रह गया था, is 20.5 if each of the largest 4 observation of set is increased by 2. There are 9 observations. If there are 9 observation, it means fifth term will be median. Each of the largest 4 term is increased by 2. Each term is increased by 2. It means there is no change in ascending order. Then median of new observation will be the same, 20.5. Because no change in the middle term and no change in order. x plus 7 is the mean proportional between these two terms, then find the value of x. If x plus 7 is the mean proportional, then x plus 7 whole square will be equal to product of external term. Now solve this. X is equal to 13. Two cylinders are of same lateral surface, have their radii in this ratio. Then the ratio of their heights is curved surface area is equal. For first cylinder it will be 2 pi r1 h1 and for second it will be 2 pi r2 h2. Radius of first cylinder 4x and that of second is 9x. h1 upon h2 is equal to 9 upon 4. It means h1 ratio h2 is equal to 9:4. The order of matrix A is 2 by 3 and that of B is 3 by 1. Then number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. It means AB is possible. But number of columns in B is not equal to number of rows in A. It means BA is not possible. Term of AP, this term. First of all, we are finding second term minus first term, that is 2D. Now next to this term will be previous term plus common ratio, that is A plus D. Which number is subtracted from this function so that on dividing x by x minus 2 the remainder is 10. Let the number is C. Then function will become original function minus C. And x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2, means f2 will be the remainder and substitute in place of x2. And according to the question, f2 is 10. X-intercept is 4, value of A is 4, y-intercept is 2. Equation of line x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Intercept for x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. PQ is tangent, this angle is 60 degree and this is 45. Then find angle ABC. There is a printing mistake in this question, this is C. Means we have to find the value of this angle. If this is 45, since PQ is tangent and BC is the chord, then this angle will be equal to the angle made by this chord in alternate segment. तो आप देखिए इस chord को ही meet करवाया गया है at point A. It means if this angle is 45, then this is also 45 degree. Now, sum of angles of a triangle are 180. It means 60 plus 45 plus this angle will be 180. Then angle ABC will be equal to 180 minus 60 plus 45. (75 degree). Cost of an article is rupees 5,000. After including GST, its cost become rupees 6,000. Means GST amount is 1,000. Then the rate of GST. Let the rate of GST is X. Then X% of CP, that is 5,000, is equal to 1,000. X is 20, means rate of GST is 20%. Solve this trigonometrical identity. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. 1 upon sec theta is equal to cos theta, and 1 upon cosec theta is equal to sin theta. And this is 1. Value of k for which it has real roots. Real roots means when the value of discriminant is positive, less than equal, greater than equal to 0, then the roots will be real. In this equation, a is k. Compare this equation with standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we will get a is equal to k, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 1. Now the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac will be 16 minus 4k, and for real roots it should be positive. Now we are dividing by a negative number by minus 4, so the sign of inequality will be reversed. Means for real roots condition is k should be less than equal to 4. Question number 2, it is also a part of compulsory section. You have to solve question number 2 and 3 from GST. There is dealing between 3 persons x, y and z. For this dealing worth rupees 50,000, and y to z there is a profit of 20,000, means amount is 70,000. SP is 70,000. In first part, find output and input taxes for dealer Y. We have to find output and input taxes for dealer Y. Input tax will be which is tax between x and y, between this dealing, and output tax between this dealing y to z. First of all, we are calculating input tax. For y. Rate of GST is 20% and cost price is 50,000. It means GST given by y will be 28% of 50,000. इस डीलिंग में जो जीएसटी दी जाएगी दैट इज इनपुट टैक्स फॉर वाई. $14,000. Now we are calculating output tax for y. Means tax on applying this dealing from y to z, that is 20% of 70,000. Output tax is the tax which he will get from z. Rupees 19,600. In second part, we have to calculate net GST payable by dealer Y to the government. गवर्नमेंट को वाई पे करेगा डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस टैक्स. बिकॉज 14,000 he will get, he have already paid to the government in this dealing. Difference of output tax and input tax. Rupees 5,600. Second part, it is from ratio proportion. रेशियो प्रपोर्शन के 90% केसेस में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू अप्लाई कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो. सो वी आर अप्लाइंग कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो, that is numerator plus denominator, divided by numerator minus denominator. न्यूमरेटर को ही आप पहले लिखेंगे and same will be applicable on right hand side. Right hand denominator is 1. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Now we are squaring on both sides. Squaring both sides, we will get 5x divided by 2x minus 6 is equal to 25 by 9. Now cross multiply and solve this for x. Value of x is 30. It is a question of mensuration. Radius of the circle, cylinder and cone is 7 centimeter. Height of the cone is 4 centimeter and height of cylinder is 4 centimeter. And we have to find the volume of this solid. This solid is made to combine three figures. So its volume will be equal to sum of three figures. Top पर है cone, तो volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h and volume of cylinder pi r square h. R and h are same for cone and cylinder, and volume of hemisphere will be 1/2 of 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now r is 7 centimeter and h is 4. One 1540 centimeter cube. In a class of 40 students, marks obtained by the students in a class test out of 10 are given below. Calculate median mode. For median, we have to calculate cumulative frequency. Now, n is 40, means median will be n by 2th term twentieth term, and 20th term will be 6. So median is 6, and mode is the most favorable score having highest frequency, and highest frequency is 10. It means mode is also 6. Sum of first three terms of an AP is 42. First term is A, second is A plus D, and third is A plus 2D. According to the question, sum of these three terms is 42. And product of first and third term is 52. Now from this equation we are substituting the value of D in second equation. A is equal to either 26 or 2. If A is equal to 26, then D is equal to minus 12, and if A is equal to 2, then D is equal to 12. Third part, use a graph paper for this question. Take 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both x and y axis. Plot the points. First point A, 0,4. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. स्केल का आप प्रॉपरली ध्यान रखेंगे इस पॉइंट्स को शो करते वक्त. Second point 2, 3. 2 distance on x-axis 1, 2 and 3 on y-axis 1, 2, 3 according to the scale. Third point is 1, 1, 1, 1. Fourth is 2, 0. Reflect points B, C and D on y-axis and write down their coordinates. Name the images as B dash, C dash, D dash respectively. Okay. First of all, we are reflecting B on y-axis. Its image will be formed at same distance from y-axis in opposite direction. Its distance from y-axis is 2. Then at distance of 2 in opposite direction, its image will be formed B dash and coordinate of B dash will be x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is 3. Similarly, C dash, its coordinate -1, 1 and D dash with coordinates -2, 0. Write down their coordinates. Coordinates B dash -2, 3, C dash -1, 1 and D dash -2, 0. Join the points A, B, C in order. First of all, A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then D to D dash, D dash to C dash, C dash to B dash and B dash to A. Write down the name of the figure formed. Count the number of sides in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a polygon having 7 sides. It means it is heptagon. Now come to the section B. You have to attempt any 4 questions out of 7 questions. I am sharing with you complete solution of all the questions of this section. इस सेक्शंस में क्वेश्चंस का सिलेक्शन भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है और इसके सिलेक्शन के रिगार्डिंग टिप्स मैंने फर्स्ट सैंपल पेपर के सॉल्यूशन में आपके साथ शेयर की थी. आप एक बार उसको देख लीजिएगा. इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चंस इन दिस सेक्शन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट इज फ्रॉम बैंकिंग. Mr. X opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. Time period given है 20 months. Months में ही given है. Rate of interest is 9% per annum and interest he will get at the time of maturity is rupees 441. We have to calculate amount deposited each month, means value of P. Apply the formula for interest, that is Pn plus 1 upon 2 into 12 R upon 100. Put the given values. Interest is 441, P, we have to calculate, N is 20, N plus 1, 21, R is 9 and solve this for P. Rupees 280. Second part from matrix, equation हमें given है and according to this equation we have to find M. Solve this metric equation. If these two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements will be equal. It means 4 will be equal to 18 plus m. These are equal, and this 49 will be equal to 63 plus m. Now look, if you solve this equation, then m is equal to 14, and if you solve this equation, then value of m is 14, means either solve this or solve this, you will get the value of m is 14. Third part, circle से question है, figure हमें given है. AD is the diameter, O is the center, AD is parallel to BC. This AD is parallel to BC. D 32 degree. First we have to find angle OBD. OBD means this angle. Now look at the figure. If this is 32 and AD is parallel to BC, then this angle will be equal to this. Alternate angles, if two lines are parallel and a transverse line cut them, then alternate angles are equal. Means this is angle 32 degree. Now OD is the radius of circle and OB is also the radius of circle. It means OB and OD are equal. It means OBD is an isosceles triangle. Then angle opposite to equal sides are equal. If this is 32, then this will also be 32 degree. Angle OBD is 32 degree. Now we have to find angle AOB. AOB, this angle. Now this angle is the exterior angle of triangle OBD. This will be equal to 32 plus 32. In another way you can find this. You can find this angle by 180 minus 64, and then you can find this angle because this whole angle is 180 degree. In both cases you will get the same value. Angle AOB, due to exterior angle, it will be the sum of this and this. 32 plus 32, 64 degree. Now we have to find angle BED. This angle. Now we are considering the arc BD. By the arc BD, angle subtended at the center is this, 180 minus 64, and angle subtended by this arc on circumference is this, which we have to find, and angle subtended at the circumference will be half of the angle subtended at the center. It means this angle will be half of this. So we can find its value using this concept. Because angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at circumference, and we are considering arc BCD. Question number 5, part 1. It is from trigonometrical identities. We are considering left hand side. And in denominator cos theta is common. This is tan theta. We can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Next part from probability. 16 cards are labeled as A, B, C up to P. They are put in a box and shuffled. A boy is asked to draw a card from the box. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel? Among these numbers, vowels are A, E, I and O. U is excluded. If one card is drawn, then total number of cases are 16 because 16 cards available in the box, and number of favorable cases if we want a vowel are 4. It means probability of getting a vowel is 1 by 4. Second, we have to find probability of getting a card having consonant. Now, number of consonant among these numbers, total cards are 16, 4 are vowels, it means consonant are 12. Then getting a consonant on card are number of favorable cases 12 and total number of cases are 16. Probability is 3 by 4. None of the letters of the word median. Median का कोई भी letter हमें ना मिले. Then letters of median are M, E, D, I, A and N. First of all, look, all these letters are included here. M is included, E is included, D, I, A and N. All are included. Then probability of this case that we don't have this card, then total number of cases are 16 and number of favorable cases ये हमें नहीं चाहिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So इसको minus कर दीजिए. Number of favorable cases are 10 and total number of cases are 16. Means probability of this case is 5 by 8. Third part, figure हमें given है. AB and DE are perpendicular to BC. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Look at these two triangles. Angle B is 90 degree and angle E is 90 degree. One angle in both triangle is equal and angle C is common between these two triangles. When two angles are equal, it means these triangles are similar triangles. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. In part B, AB is 6 centimeter, DE is 4 centimeter, AC is 15 centimeter. Calculate CD. If these two triangles are similar triangles, then their sides will be in proportion. Means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EC is equal to AC upon DC. CD, DC, similar sides. Now put the given values. AB is 6, DE is 4, BC इस टर्म को हम स्किप कर रहे हैं, ये कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. AC is 15 and CD we have to find. That is 10 centimeter. Question number 6, part 1. It is based on ogive. Height in centimeter हमें given है, number of boys given है, and we have to draw ogive. Taking 2 centimeter is equal to height of 10 centimeter along one axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 10 boys along other axis. First of all, find cumulative frequency. On x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to height 10 centimeter, and on y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 10 boys. This is first point 135. After 2 centimeter there is 10 centimeter height. It means 145. Again after 2 it will be 155, 165 and so on. On y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 10 boys. First 2 centimeter 10, then 20, 30 and so on. Now first point 135, 0. This is our first point. Second 140, 4. 140 will be after 1 centimeter, just middle between 135 and 145. And 4. Look at y-axis. At y-axis this is 5. Means 10 small parts is equal to 5, means 2 small parts is equal to 1. Then 4 will be 1 is equal to 2 small parts, 4 will be 8 small parts. On 8th part you mark 140, 4. Next 145, 12. 12 के लिए आप 10 के बाद 2 के लिए 4 स्मॉल पार्ट्स काउंट करिए. At point 4 it will be 145, 12. Next 150, 32. 30 and 4 और 2 के लिए आप काउंट कीजिए 4 स्मॉल पार्ट्स. Next 155, 46, 40, 45 जस्ट मिडिल में और 1 के लिए 2 स्मॉल पार्ट्स काउंट कीजिए. नेक्स्ट 160, 53, 50 and for 3 count 6 parts. 165, 59, 165 और 59 के लिए 2 स्मॉल पार्ट्स लेस देन 60. 170, 60. अब आप फ्री हैंड से इन पॉइंट्स को मीट करवा दीजिए. In this question n is equal to 60. It means median will be 60 upon 2th term. Means 30th term. Now mark 30th term. आप अपनी ग्राफ पेपर पर इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे तो और ज्यादा एक्यूरेटली ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे. It is approximately 149.5 because it is on 9th mark. In second part we have to calculate lower quartile. That is 60 upon 4th term. 15th term. This is point 15. Next we have to calculate if above 158 centimeter is considered as tall boys of the class, find the total number of boys in the class who are tall. Means find the number of boys whose height is above 158 centimeter. We have to mark 158. This is 160 और इससे अगर 2 points हम less लेंगे then we will get 159 and then again 2 points less we will get 158. After 2 marks it will 51. Then number of tall boys is equal to 60 minus 51, 9 boys. Second part of this question, it is from height and distance. An aeroplane at an altitude observes the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite banks of river to be 45 and 60. 45 and 60 degree. Find the width of the river. Write your answer correct to the nearest whole number. Suppose this is aeroplane, this is first boat and this is second boat. Suppose this is x and this is y, then we have to find BC, means x plus y. If this angle is 45, then this is also 45, this is 60, then this is also 60. In right angle triangle ABP, tan 45 will be equal to perpendicular upon base 250 upon x. Then x is equal to tan 45 is 1, 250 meter. In right angle triangle APC, tan 60 is equal to perpendicular upon base 250 divided by 5. Tan 60 is under root 3. .33 meter means 394 meters. Question number 7th, part 1. If the sixth term of an AP equal to 4 times of its first term, it means it is equal to 4A. And the sum of first 6 term is 75. Find the first term and common difference. Sixth term will be A plus 5D. And the sum of sixth term n by 2. 2A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 75. 2A plus 5D is equal to 25. This is equation 2. Equation 1 को हम थोड़ा सा और solve करते हैं. 3A is equal to 5D. 3A minus 5D is equal to 0. Now solve equation 1 and 2. A is equal to 5 means first term is 5 and 5D is A, it means D is equal to 3. Common difference is 3. Second part, find the mod of the following data using histogram. On x-axis, we are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 5. And on y-axis, one centimeter is equal to 2 frequency. This is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. first 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 20, 12, 20 to 30, 20, 30 to 40, 9, and 40 to 50, 4. Now for mode, meet this point to previous and this point to this. Now point of intersection of these two lines will give us mode. This is 24, means mode of given data is 24. Third part of this question, it is from construction. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm and draw two tangents to this circle so that angle between tangent is 45. We have to draw two tangents, angle between these is 45. If this is center, then you have already studied this. This angle will be 135 because this angle and this are supplementary. If this is 45, then this will be 135. We use this theorem in this construction. First of all, draw a circle of radius 5 cm. This is the radius of 5 cm. Now draw its one radius. Now make 135-degree angle on this with the help of compass. For this, first of all, make 60-degree angle with the help of compass, then 120, then 90 degree. And then bisect 90 and 180. First arc from this, second from this. Then you will get 135-degree angle. Draw a radius making 135-degree angle with this radius. Now we have to draw two tangents. First from this point, second from this point. For this, make 90-degree angle at this point and make 90-degree angle at this point. First arc from this, second from this, and make one tangent. Similarly, make 90-degree angle at this point and draw second tangent. These will be the required tangent whose angle between these tangent will be 45-degree. Right step of construction. Question number 8, part 1. The sum of ages of Vivek and his younger brother Amit is 47 years. Let age of Vivek be x, then age of his younger brother Amit will be 47 minus x because sum is 47. The product of their ages in years is 550. According to question, product of their ages x and multiply by 47 minus x is equal to 550. Required numbers are 25 and 22, and these are the required factors. If first bracket is 0, then x is equal to 25, and if second is 0, then x is equal to 22. If x is equal to 25, it means age of Vivek is 25 years and age of Amit is 47 minus 25 means 22 years. And if x is equal to 22, it means age of Vivek is 22 years and age of Amit is 25 years, which is not possible because Amit is younger than Vivek, means answer is this. Second part, a line through A and B is perpendicular to this line. Find the value of B. First of all, we are finding slope of AB by applying the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. That is m1. Now we are finding slope of given line. One and two are perpendicular. Then m1, m2 will be minus 1. B minus 3 is equal to minus 12, then B is equal to minus 9. Third part, it is from mensuration. Figure हमें given है. ABCD is a square of side 21 centimeter. AC and BD are two diagonals of the square. Two semicircles are drawn with AD and BC as diameter. If AD and BC is diameter, then both are same, means both semicircles are same. Find the area of the shaded region. Look at the figure. If we combine this semicircle with this semicircle, means both semicircles, then we will get a circle because these are equal parts. And these two triangles are 1/4 part of a square, means their area will be half of a square, combined area. Then area of shaded region will be equal to area of circle plus half of area of a square, because diagonals of a square divide it into 4 equal parts. Now area of circle is pi r square and area of a square is a square. Put the values. Radius of the circle. AD is diameter, 21 is diameter, then radius will be 21/2. And side of the square is 21. Now solve this. (567 square centimeter). Question number 9th, part 1. One figure, diameter AB and chord CD of a circle intersect each other at P. PT is a tangent at T. CD, that is 7.8 centimeter. PD is 5 centimeter. PB is 4 centimeter. Find AB and PT. Okay. First of all, AB and CD both are the chords of a circle and intersect each other at P. Then product of segments of chords will be equal. Always remember, segments of chords will be measured from point of intersection. Point of intersection से ही हम chords के segment measure करेंगे. First we are considering the chord AB, then first segment will be PB and second will be PA. Always measure from point of intersection. Similarly, for second chord CD, first segment will be PD and second will be PC. Now put the given values. PB is 4, PA is not given, PD is 5 and PC will be PD plus CD, means 5 plus 7.8. So we can write PA as PB plus AB and PB is 4, then AB will be 12 centimeter. Now we are considering AB and PT, where AB is the chord and PT is a tangent. Then square of tangent will be equal to product of segment of chords, that is PB into PA. Similarly, segments will be measured from point of intersection. Now PB is 4 and PA is 16. It means PT will be square root of this 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Second part, find X ratio Y. X and Y वन इक्वेशन गिवन है तो हम x और y की वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते, इनके बीच में हम रेशियो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, रिलेशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. एज यूजुअल वी आर अप्लाइंग डिविडेंडो कंपोनेंडो. न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइडेड बाय न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर. सिमिलरली ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, this is x square. X square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4, y square plus 6y plus 9 and y square minus 9. Look at this carefully. This is x plus 2 whole square and this is, we are applying a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. X plus 2, x minus 2. Similarly, on right hand side, numerator is y plus 3 whole square and in this we are applying a square minus b square. X plus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to y plus 3 divided by y minus 3. Again we are applying componendo dividendo. Third part, it is from applications of quadratic equation. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में जस्ट जो स्टेटमेंट हमें गिवन होता है उसको हमें मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिखना होता है, तो देन वी विल गेट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड देन बाय सॉल्विंग दिस वी विल गेट रिजल्ट. Rupees 7,500 were divided equally among a certain number of children. Had there been 20 less children, each would have received rupees 100 more. Find the original number of children. First step, जो भी हमें फाइंड आउट करना होता है उसको हम एक्स लेट कर लेते हैं. लेट ओरिजिनल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन आर एक्स. 7,500, it means money received by each child will be 7,500 divided by x. In second case, when number of children are 20 less, New number of children are x minus 20. Money is same, rupees 7,500. In this case, money received by each child is equal to 7,500 divided by x minus 20. According to the question, in second case, each child receives rupees 100 more. According to questions, this is 100 more than this. Means if we subtract first money from second, we will get 100. Now solve this quadratic equation for x. Therefore, number of children are 50. Question number 10th. An equation हमें given है. Given inequation is the combination of two inequations. We have to solve these two inequations separately and then we will combine the result. X belongs to Z means integers. First we'll give x is greater than equal to minus 4 and according to second x is less than 14 by 3. Means x is greater than equal to minus 4 and less than 14 by 3 means 4.2. Now x belongs to Z integers, then integers minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to represent it on real number line. First included number is minus 4, next minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second part, find the value of k for which x is equal to 3 is the solution of this quadratic equation. If x is equal to 3 is the solution of this quadratic equation, it means if we put x is equal to 3, we will get 0. K is equal to minus 4. Find the other root. Now the quadratic equation will be k के प्लेस पर माइनस 4 पुट कर रहे हैं. टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 6 is equal to 0 dividing by 2x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Roots are 3 and minus 1 means second root is minus 1. Third part of this question and last question of this simple paper. Three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. 3, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertex D. If O is the point of intersection of both the diagonals, then diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. It means O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. Because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. If the coordinates of D are x, y, then midpoint of AC by midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is x1 3 plus 3 upon 2 and y coordinate 6 plus 2 upon 2 will be equal to midpoint of BD x plus 5 upon 2 and y plus 10 upon 2. Now we are equating x coordinate with x coordinate and y with y. It is 6 upon 2 is equal to x plus 5 upon 2 and 8 upon 2 is equal to y plus 10 upon 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2, means coordinate of D are 1 minus 2. For this we are applying distance formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to find equation of side AB. Equation of AB by 2-point formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. x1 y1 coordinates of A, x2 y2 coordinates of B. Y is equal to 2x. आज की वीडियो में मैंने आपके साथ 5th सैंपल पेपर का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन शेयर किया है. आपके एग्जाम्स तक हम आपके एग्जाम्स से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट मटेरियल शेयर करते रहेंगे, तो हमारी आने वाली वीडियोस को बिल्कुल मिस मत कीजिएगा. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.